Hey everyone, how's it going? Christina here. Welcome back to another video on the crypto channel. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm really excited to be introducing a new Matt Furie project to the channel. I know I have been introducing a lot of different projects lately, but there has been an explosion in the Matt Furie narrative lately with the release of the Cortex Vortex comic book. And this Matt Furie project in particular has one of the most bullish looking charts I think I have ever seen, at least in the past couple of months. I really want to get some more eyes on this project. I want you all to take a look at it. This is a low cap Matt Furie play, but looking at this chart, I just think it has so much potential. I think I'm bringing this to you in an optimal time right now for you to be able to buy into this and hopefully make a nice chunk of money on it. But first and foremost, I just want to start with the chart here. Just looking at it right now, zoomed out, like first impressions. Again, this is super, super healthy looking, bullish looking. You have your initial pumps here, launch pumps, and went all the way up to a price of 69.77, came back down in a short-term correction, went up slightly again. This was on the around the 16th of August, to a price of 41.93, and then we see it shoot all the way up. This is towards the latter half of August to a price of around 14.84, comes down just a little bit in order to prepare for that next leg up, which is the all-time high for the project of around 16.89, and it came back down in a little bit of a correction, but it is consolidating very nicely on that 60.8786 line, and I do foresee it continuing to consolidate here. This is a common pattern I've been seeing lately with not just low cap projects, but mid caps, a lot of different meme projects right now. We have, those initial launch pumps, a little bit of a correction, it shoots up to an all-time high and then comes back down and consolidates a little bit. So it's currently sitting at a price of 87.58. If you bought this, top off those bags. If you have not bought it yet, I am bringing this to you super, super early. It is at an 87K market cap. That is super, super low, guys. So I don't know if I could have brought it to you any lower unless I covered it right at launch, but it's sitting at an 87K market cap. So super, super low, super, super early on this. So if you are someone who, buys small bags of low caps to see, if you can make a nice chunk of money on it, this is definitely a project for you. If you are a Matt Furie fan, this is a project for you. And again, I'm not even sure if I said the name of the project in the beginning, but this is called HOODBIRD. And it is on the Ethereum chain, and it is available for buying, selling, and trading on Uniswap. So I want to head on over to the website and talk a little bit more about the narrative and go through the website a little bit. Got your tabs up here for everything that you need. X page, Telegram, active Telegram. I would definitely get on there if you're interested in chatting with like-minded people, or Matt Furie fans. You can find a lot of Matt Furie investors and meme investors in these Telegram communities. So also, if you'd like to talk to team members, often in the Telegrams, they actually have the developers and the team members in the Telegram or running the Telegram. So if you'd like to talk directly to them, you can definitely do that by joining their Telegram. So I want to go through the website a little bit. So it says HOODBIRD, the streetwise avian from the Furieverse, a slick, sassy bird with cosmic drip. HOODBIRD doesn't chirp, he talks, and when he talks, the timeline listens. Deck screener tab and tokenomics. And then a little bit on the origin here, origin story. Also, actually, before I get into that, I want to bring your attention over here to the official page art in the Matt Furie comic book where HOODBIRD appears. As you can see, he's right here. So this is kind of why there's an explosion right now of Matt Furie. Because you look at this page, this comic book page, and I see one, two, three, four, five different characters. There's probably more. Six, I think, over here. So that is literally six different characters and six different potential project themes or potential projects. Okay, so that is why we're seeing this explosion of Matt Furie characters. So that's six characters on one page, so six potential projects. So I just kind of want to explain why we're seeing so many. And only a handful are probably going to make it long term. Part of what I do is I try to sift through all those Matt Furie characters, what looks like a good play, what looks like it has massive potential or is very early on right now for people to get into with a bullish looking chart or good looking chart. What attracts Hoodbird to me? First and foremost, I don't want to get too off track right now because I do want to get to the origin story. But the first thing, not even that it's a Matt Furie play or the logo or the character. Mind you, it is an animal character, so animal memes are doing very strong right now in the crypto and meme space and crypto space in general. But the first thing that attracted me to this was the chart and how good it looks. Like that is, again, I said this before, that it's literally one of the best looking charts I've seen in a long time. So a little bit on the origin now. Hoodbird, the bird, the hood, the attitude. Hoodbird glides between alleys and astral planes with equal swagger. He's street smart, vortex touched, and allergic to authority, a little mischief, a lot of charisma. A confirmed named character in Matt Furie's new book, Cortex Vortex. Hoodbird carries real Furieverse DNA. The design later swooped into the digital art world through Furie's Heads collection, locking in cult collectible status and a growing fan base. So Hoodbird is a canon character from Matt Furie's Cortex Vortex. And again, this is the page where he's featured in Cortex Vortex. Street sense meets cosmic nonsense, speaks in zingers, not chirps, and built for memes, born for motion. So those are just some characteristics. You can scroll down here and look at some of the awesome graphic design they have going on. And then first and most importantly, the tokenomics here. So it's a 100 billion supply, hard capped, no mint, no nonsense, 0% taxes. So no buy or sell taxes, pure meme velocity. LP burned, renounced contracts, community first. And that's for the liquidity. This has all the characteristics I look for, when looking at a project in terms of tokenomics. Also has step-by-step how to buy. You could, look at some interactive art here. Here he is featured with Landwolf. So that's kind of cool. So you can come on here and give that a watch. And frequently asked questions as well. So nicely done website, clean looking, easy to navigate. I want to bring your attention over to their X page where they literally have 65 followers. I am bringing this to you super early. Super, super early, okay? All the links that you need here are in the pinned comment above. Telegram, website, contract address to buy, everything that you need. Deck screener is available in a link on the link there on the website as well. And, if you give them a follow, you can participate in all the awesome stuff they have going on. This is a team that's hustling. As you can see with the art, they have very distinct looking art. This is unlike any other art I've seen, actually. It is animated, as obviously is the character and logo, but it's not so cartoony. It's very artistic looking. That's kind of the word I would use to describe it. Very nicely done, but again, they do have that comic, more cartoonish art as well. So they certainly have a variety here if you scroll through their art on their page. All the art, literally, they are hustling so much. Literally like 2, 3, 4 posts a day. So they're working hard. They're working hard on the art and everything. And it definitely shows when you come onto their X page. They are hustling and they are posting and they are marketing. So it's a team that is definitely building. I also want to bring to your attention there are prominent YouTubers who are, getting a hold of this project and starting to present it because they believe in it. One of those people, one of those influencers is Crypto Blaney, really prominent YouTube page and KOL on X. And this project is next to names such as Sendor, Mindfac, DXY, Momo, other prominent projects, other prominent mat free projects in the space. So it is being talked about with those projects. So it's starting to gain a little bit of traction, but not nearly enough. For a chart like this, not financial advice, but I highly, highly suggest that you get in. It's in a perfect phase right now, consolidation phase, getting ready for the next leg up. And that is the position that many of these projects are in right now. They're getting ready to get that next leg up, that next pump. So now is the perfect time to buy. Again, 87K market cap, $87,000 market cap. I could not have brought this to you, I think, sooner. It's looking great. It's a great buying time, great Matt Furie character on the Ethereum chain. And, as I said before, it is available on Uniswap. You could also buy this directly if you have a Phantom wallet. Just simply copy and paste the CA into the search bar on your Phantom wallet. It'll bring you right to HOODBIRD, and you can load up your wallet with Ethereum. And it's that easy, and you could get in on HOODBIRD. So, really, really awesome Matt Furie project. I encourage you all to come and take a look at this for yourself. Take a look at the chart for yourself. Take a look at the tokenomics. See what they have going on their X page. Give them a follow on X. I think they're very deserving of, at the very least, a follow. Again, super, super early here, only 65 followers. So definitely check it out. And this is one that I certainly think has massive potential. So I will keep you updated on this as I always do the other projects on my channel. Links to buy HOODBIRD are available in the description section. So all of that is there. You don't have to worry about that. Also, just a few things before I end this video. My Discord link is also available in the description section on this video. Come join the chat, guys. We have a lot of big launches coming up. All kinds of stuff happening. Buy alerts, exchange alerts, sell alerts, early CAs, early access to projects, and a productive, supportive chat. I am, working weekly, week by week, to build up my Discord and build up the value for you guys. So we have almost 130, 140 members right now on there. So come join the chat. Would love to have you. I also have my one-on-one coaching / portfolio reviews if you're looking for a little more of a one-on-one direct personal communication with me. Those have been going great so far. I answer all of your questions. We go through your entire portfolio. So again, link for that is in the description section if you are interested. And of course, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is so, so appreciated. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.